Are you looking for the top 5 best pressure washers of 2026? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the 5 best pressure washers of 2026 on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Greenworks Compact Electric Pressure Washer. The Greenworks Compact Electric Pressure Washer delivers powerful, reliable cleaning in a lightweight and easy-to-handle design. With a 1.2 GPM water flow, it provides strong pressure to quickly remove dirt, mud, and grime from cars, fences, patios, driveways, and decks without damaging surfaces. Its CSA-certified electric motor ensures safe, consistent performance while operating quieter than gas-powered alternatives. Designed for convenience, this pressure washer features a 20-foot tangle-free hose that allows smooth movement around your cleaning area, plus a 35-foot power cord for extended reach without constant unplugging. The compact build makes storage simple and transport effortless, perfect for homeowners with limited space. Whether you're washing your car, refreshing outdoor furniture, or cleaning tough driveway stains, the Greenworks Compact Electric Pressure Washer offers an efficient, eco-friendly solution that combines power, portability, and user-friendly operation for everyday home maintenance. Number 2. Pikulla Electric Pressure Washer. The Electric Pressure Washer 2030 PSI delivers powerful and efficient cleaning performance for everyday home use. With 2030 PSI of strong water pressure, it easily removes stubborn dirt, grease, and grime from cars, patios, fences, driveways, and outdoor surfaces, saving you time and effort. The upgraded swivel joint prevents hose tangling, allowing smoother movement and better control during cleaning tasks. Equipped with 4 interchangeable nozzle tips, this pressure washer lets you adjust the spray pattern for light rinsing or deep cleaning, making it versatile for multiple applications. The 26-foot high-pressure hose provides extended reach, so you can clean large areas without constantly repositioning the unit. Its compact, lightweight design ensures easy portability and simple storage, while the electric motor offers quieter operation and zero emissions. Finished in a clean green design, this electric pressure washer is a reliable, eco-friendly solution for maintaining a spotless home and outdoor space with professional-level results. Number 3. Westinghouse WPX 3000 Electric Pressure Washer. Delivers 3000 max PSI and 1.76 max GPM at lowest pressure, and 2600 rated PSI and 1.1 rated GPM of water flow. Perfect for decks, sidewalks, fences, garage floors, exterior walls, cars, and patio furniture. Comes with a 0.45-gallon soap tank, 25-foot abrasion-resistant Superflex hose with lightweight high-pressure metal spray gun, and wand with 5 quick connect nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, soap and turbo. Compatible with pressure washer accessories like surface cleaners, undercarriage cleaners, and foam cannons with M22 fittings. Heavy-duty AC 120V electric motor and long-lasting, maintenance-free axial 3-piston auto-stop pump provides up to 1.76 gallons of water and soap a minute. Tough steel frame construction with 12 high-profile, 10-inch never-flat wheels and 35-foot GFCI cord provide easy transportation and maneuverability. Includes tools and quick start guide to get cleaning in minutes. All Westinghouse pressure washers are functionally tested in the factory and are backed by 3-year limited manufacturer service, labor, and parts coverage. Number 4. Favormony Portable Pressure Washer. Cordless pressure washer. Compatible with Type-C chargers. The spray washer can be recharged using your phone charger or power bank, ensuring you're ready for any emergency. Enjoy 30 to 60 minutes of use on a full charge. Ultimate portability. Compact enough to fit in your trunk, this foldable pressure washer expands to a 3.2 gallons tank, making it the perfect companion for camping trips and outdoor adventures. 4-in-1 nozzle. Switch easily between modes, 0 degrees, 45 degrees, spray, brush for various tasks. The integrated brush helps tackle tough jobs, from cleaning camping gear to washing outdoor furniture. Versatile for all scenarios. This all-in-one pressure washer handles car washing, garden care, pet cleaning, outdoor showering, and more. Meet all your cleaning needs for a variety of outdoor activities. Pet-friendly cleaning. The water pressure washer features a gentle spray mode, allowing you to wash your furry friends, keeping them happy and clean after outdoor fun. Warm and cold water compatibility. Use with both warm and cold water, 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, for maximum cleaning power. Warm water with detergent tackles grease 3 times faster, while cold water provides freeze protection in winter conditions. Number 5. Sun Joe Electric Pressure Power Washer. The Sun Joe SPX 3000 Electric Pressure Power Washer delivers professional-grade cleaning power for tough outdoor messes. With 2,500 max PSI and 2,030 PSI PWMA rated pressure, it effectively removes dirt, grease, mold, and grime from patios, decks, sidewalks, driveways, and vehicles. Its heavy-duty electric motor provides reliable performance while operating quieter and cleaner than gas power washers. Designed with safety and convenience in mind, the SPX 3000 features a GFCI-equipped power cord to protect against electrical hazards during use. The dual onboard detergent tanks let you store and switch between different cleaning solutions, making multi-surface cleaning fast and efficient. Multiple spray options allow precise control for both gentle rinsing and deep cleaning tasks. Built for durability and everyday home use, the Sun Joe SPX 3000 combines power, versatility, and safety in one compact unit, making it an ideal choice for homeowners who want professional results without the hassle of gas, fumes, or excessive noise.